오늘도 나폴리 중심가 단테 광장으로 왔습니다. 저번에 술집에서 만났던 그 친구를 한번 만나러 왔는데 얘기를 들어보니까 그 친구가 아시아학과더라고요. 그래서 중국어, 일본어, 한국어, 언어랑 문화를 배운답니다. 학교에서 메시지를 좀 주고 받다가 나는 이제 곧 떠난다, 근데 나랑 여행 갈래? 이렇게 물어보니까 또 여행을 간다고 해서, 그래서 오늘 만나서 카페에서 얘기를 좀 하다가 여행을 결정 짓고 다음에 여행을 같이 가자고 하는데, 여행을 사실 진짜로 갈지 안 갈지 모르겠어요. 그래서 전에 밤에 왔던 이 길 그대로 또 지나갑니다. 사실 여행이라는 게 어떻게 될지 모르는 거잖아요. 그래서 일단 오늘 만나보고 까이면 까이는 거고, 여행을 같이 갈 수 있으면 같이 가는 거고, 그렇게 해보도록 하겠습니다.
So I was thinking there's like a lot of cafes here, so you can go to one of these.
Of course, of course. First we look around and then go.
Yes.
So you speak Korean?
No, I don't speak Korean at all. Like I try to learn it a little bit, but I'm still struggling to read Hangul.
Oh, no worry, no worry.
But actually my friend used to work at, but I don't know if she still works here. There's another two actually.
Thank you for inviting me
No
to Napoli.
problem, no problem.
First one.
First one? You go.
Okay.
But they usually get cocktails when we go here.
I can drink. You want?
No, I have to study later, so I can.
Okay. So we just drink coffee here.
Yes, it's good.
What time you need to go? Come back to home?
Like in an hour.
1 hour.
Yeah, hour and a half. I'm so sorry, I really.
No, it's okay.
If I study now more, then I would have more time to scare.
Yeah. You're smart. Okay.
Okay. Have you ever tried caprese?
No, I never tried.
Caprese is like a traditional cake from this area, and there's a chocolate version and a lemon version. Here they have like a really good lemon version. So do you wanna like share
Try.
a piece of
Of
cake?
course. Okay. Caprese.
Yes.
Okay. So one
Do
caprese.
you have any, like food allergies or anything, right?
Nothing.
Because it has almonds.
I love that.
Okay, perfect. Peak exam season for me, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, sadly.
It's exam about Korean or China?
No, it's actually like the first exam I'm doing is general linguistic, but in Italian. And then I have a Japanese exam and also a Japanese literature exam.
Why you choose Japanese, not Korean?
I did Korean and Japanese, but it was too difficult to do like both at the same time.
Oh, yeah,
So unconsciously, I started focusing more on one language.
Oh,
And Japanese was just the one that was easier for me
yeah.
to learn.
When you're talking.
Yeah, like pronunciation. Because I really had difficulties reading. There's still a lot of rules on how to pronounce things. You know?
Yeah.
Like, it's not always what you think it is. Hangul, right? And then you read it, like you read it this way, but you don't read it this way. Because sometimes, you know, because of the pronunciation rules. So for me, it was just difficult to.
So do you know how to say thank you Japanese?
Yeah, thank you is like the most easy thing. It's like arigato or arigato gozaimasu.
Oh.
No, it's not. What do you want?
I want a dolce latte.
What is dolce latte?
You don't know dolce latte?
No.
It's from Italy, no? Dolce,
Dolce?
sweet,
Dolce.
latte. Dolce latte.
I mean, don't you put just like sugar in the cup and make it sweet, or like
Okay.
what is dolce latte? Actually,
It's not from Italy. Okay. Sorry.
have you ever had cafe leccese?
No, I never tried. It's popular in Napoli. The leches.
I don't think so. It's like an area of Italy. It's like city in Italy, Lecce.
I'm gonna drink cappuccino.
Ask if they can make like an iced cappuccino.
Oh. They made ice.
You have to ask. They don't put it in the menu, and I'm always
But
like,
you
"Hey,
prefer ice?
when it's this hot, yes.
Oh, you're not Italian.
No, I mean I am Swiss.
That's why you can drink ice.
Do you know it's also against the rules to drink cappuccino after like 11 or 12?
No.
So we're already being foreigners. I already know that we're not from here. It's like an unspoken rule, kinda, but it is. You know,
Oh.
like you shouldn't drink cappuccino in the afternoon. An espresso in the afternoon, where you don't have cappuccino. But it's okay. You can do whatever.
Of course, we are foreigners. It's okay.
10 serve un
It's okay.
vassoio.
Like if you want to take two, but
I
I think
wanna.
one could be enough as well.
But you can eat everything, right? Okay, let's go.
Like in Italy, you've only been to Naples.
I already been Toscana, Milano, Roma. But this year I just came to here, Napoli. I travel a lot.
Yeah, you do. I saw
You saw where?
on your Instagram.
Ah, that's why you know. Have you been in some country, other country?
I've been to Greece, Spain.
Alone?
I've not been to alone. No, I've never like traveled alone. Always with like friends and family.
But how many years did you live here?
1.5.
1.5.
I study languages, but I have to study like coding as well a little bit this semester. I don't know why. I have to give a coding exam.
Coding.
Coding. Yeah, like Python.
So you studying Python?
I have to a little bit, yeah.
But you don't like. But why you start interesting to Korea? No, not Korea, Asian culture.
Because it wasn't only Asian culture. The thing is, growing up, I really liked history in general. I grew up in Switzerland. We only looked at history from a European viewpoint. The history that concerned us as country and not the rest of the world. So I had no idea about the history of other countries. You know, like all these kind of things. And I was just always interested in like learning more about the rest of the world, not only what I grew up with. Yeah, this is something really random. How old are you? Because I have no, like, I didn't ask I don't know anything like personal.
Yeah, I'm 24 years old. And you?
I'm 20.
Oh, 20.
Yeah.
20. 20.
20.
I'm joking. I'm 32 years old.
Really?
Yeah.
Damn.
Grazie.
Thank you.
Thank
and
you so
thank
much.
you.
For real?
Il faut toucher et se volete.
For real.
Why did you say 24?
First, I tried to joking. I didn't know you believed that.
Yeah, like.
So I saw your eyes like shake when I say 32.
I was like, yeah, because you look so young.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your secret?
Secret?
Yeah, like, what's your secret?
Because Korea skincare.
Oh.
No. I think it's a genetic. Okay,
You want to try the coffee?
I'll try. I'm sorry, I'm too old. But just imagine if you meet some guy until how old? Like,
Never really thought about it, to be honest. I mean, I'm still young. I didn't date that much. You must have more experience.
so you can meet 40. 40.
You know, actually, my friend that I worked with, she was dating this guy that was like 40.
Oh?
Yeah, and she's
Oh.
20 as well. I was
She's
like,
really open-minded.
huh?
really open.
Yeah, and I was like,
open-minded.
but to be honest, it was a little complicated because he's kind of like her boss at work. So.
Ah, that's why.
And they ended up breaking up because he was cheating on her.
Ah. So anyway, when men have money, can meet her. No, but I don't have money. Just forgot and start
It's
it.
okay. The cake.
Okay. It's good. It's delicious.
And it's supposed to be liquid inside. Oh, it is.
Oh, it's cool.
This is one of my favorite desserts.
20. I never meet 20 years old in my life. Which year did you born?
2005. I think you're more shocked than me, actually.
Because it's too much difference. That's why a little
How
bit,
old
not
do
too
you
much.
think I was?
You?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know because you told me study in university, so maybe 24, 26, like this. I mean, looks 24.
Yeah. If you don't look older than me, you could be my
Oh?
age. Yeah.
20 years old.
Yeah, Loki. Loki, yes.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Thank
No, it's like not a compliment, it's just facts. Oh no.
Now I saw you.
You know, usually you have like a
have a straw, yeah. Because you heard about my age, that's why.
it's all because of your age.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, this is you have a small money.
Sorry, I don't have any cash.
I also
Sorry.
don't have cash, I'm sorry. The thing is, I think people don't really carry cash anymore.
But in Napoli, they still use many cash.
Yeah.
Okay, so anyway, don't answer now. You go to travel or not, don't answer. You can text me.
But I think it's like bother you a lot. My cousin's parents have a 10-year age difference.
Oh.
They're one of the cutest couples I know, like the parents. They met when she was 20 and he was 30.
Thank you. Thank you for saying that.
Sorry. But why you decided work to bar, not a restaurant?
It was really easy to get the job. It's really flexible, the job in itself. And also I didn't have to do an interview or anything. I just went there and asked, can I work here? And he was like, okay, sure, you can work here.
But it's a little bit hard because I have many drunken guys there.
Yeah. It's sometimes a little bit annoying. Also because my boss only hired me because I'm pretty.
Oh.
He looked at me and he was like, because I went there with my friend and my friend already had asked. He brought me in person, he was like, and he looked at me and he was like, oh yeah, she can work here.
But when you work there in the bar, many guys try to talking with you and try to text with you.
But I don't usually give my Instagram. I always say that I don't give my Instagram on my place of work because it's not professional.
Oh really?
Guys usually don't really take rejection that well. They're like, why not? Why not? And then and sometimes they go to my boss and ask him for my number and stuff like this. This is also why I don't want to work there anymore. Actually. Right now, the only girl that works there.
Yeah. But you gave to 32 years old guy.
Well, they don't have to know about it.
If you know my age there, you gave or not?
I don't know. If I would have felt that you were 32, then I probably wouldn't have given it because like, but you don't see when you don't give the vibe. So it's more about like how you act. Yeah. You know, that's a really funny angle. At 33, yeah. I want to go 5:30, but it's like, oh wait, no, it's 6 or no, it's 5. Oh.
What is this?
I used to work in a bar in Switzerland as well. Without tips, I would earn like 20 per hour. If you would include tips, then it would be like 30 per hour probably. Like what
So long.
Luckily, like I worked the whole night.
Napoli
And
is
I only
10
earn-
euros.
No, it's less.
Less?
Like 5 euros per hour.
5 euros per
Or
hour.
like, yeah.
And you have a good skin.
Thank you.
You try.
Korean skincare. I actually use Korean skincare.
Really?
Yeah. I always order it online, then it takes like a month shipping. But we also have like Korean skincare shops here in Naples actually.
Later if we meet again someday, I wanna give some.
Maybe. Okay, what were you about to say?
No.
No, it was a joke. It was a joke. Please, I wanna know.
어젯밤에 메시지가 왔거든요. 12살 차이 나는 거는 절대 문제가 되지 않는데 이제 곧 시험이라고 시험 공부를 안 하고서 그렇게 여행을 가는 게 맞나라고 이제 생각이 든다라고 하더라고요. 그러니까 그 친구가 착해서 말도 이쁘게 돌려서 말을 해준 것 같아요. 근데 어차피 12살 차이는 저도 찝찝하기 때문에 오히려 고맙지가 않나 그런 생각이 듭니다. 네, 이렇게 컨텐츠가 단편 소설로 끝나버렸지만 이런 거에 일희일비하면 안 됩니다. 여행하다 보면 이런 거는 일상이고. 근데 예전에는 항상 행복해 보이는 사람을 보면은 부러웠거든요. 어떻게 저렇게 삶을 항상 행복하게 살 수 있는가 이런 거에 대해서 생각을 했는데 행복의 정도가 너무 높은 사람은 그 행복이 떨어졌을 때 추락했을 때 우울의 정도도 되게 깊더라고요. 그래서 예전에는 항상 행복하고 싶다 너무 행복하고 싶다 이런 생각을 많이 했는데 요즘에는 크고 작은 일에 일희일비하지 않고 그냥 무던하게 살아가는 게 그게 행복이지 않을까 그런 생각이 들더라고요.
그냥 인생에 이런 해프닝 정도 하나 있었구나 하고 지나가면 되지 않을까 싶습니다. 아 근데 인생 진짜 빠른 게 오빠 소리 들으면서 살아왔는데 지금 어느 순간 아저씨가 돼 있어요. 이제는 아저씨라고 불릴 나이가 됐어. 아닌가? 그래도 아직은 아닌가? 어쩌다 아저씨가 됐지? 아무튼 인생 진짜 빨리 지나가니까 오늘 하루하루 현재 최선을 다해서 살아가는 방법밖에 없을 것 같습니다. 오늘도 영상 봐주셔서 감사드리고 항상 행복한 하루 되세요.